Happy December, everyone. I can't believe Christmas is around the corner. 2021 has just gone so fast. So this is going to be a different type of video. Every month work sends me a care package of snacks, and I've got the snacks here. This is my December haul, and I just want to open these with you all and show you what I get this month to keep me fueled. If you watched my last video, then you would have seen that I got a lot of Reese's Pieces, like an unhealthy amount of Reese's Pieces. I still have a lot left over, which is insane, but I'm really excited to dive in and to show you all what I got this month. The moment of truth. Well, I'm gonna go down and actually break this down for you all. Four fat dairy milk chocolate bars. I actually can't believe that. And then a lot of the smaller bars as well, which is pretty insane. And then I've got these two Cadbury Nuttier, cranberry, almond and peanut, which is actually insane. 43% fruit and nuts. And then on the UK side, so the selection that I got was actually UK versus America. So I've actually got some Ferrero Rochers. I don't know if Lindt is British or it's American, but lots of Lindt. And then all of this would probably be, the Galaxies. So I got two cookie crumbles, and then two smooth milk. And then on the US side, it's gonna be, Gillian's as well. I reckon this is actually, that's gotta be UK. Isn't it Swiss? I'm not sure, but Gillian's is nice. So I've got salted caramel and hazelnut. So then on the American side, lots of Reese's. These Reese's Pieces whites are actually so nice. So I got two of them. These trees, if you've ever had these are actually too sugary. I'm not a big fan of these. Like, you're taking one bite and honestly it's just pure diabetes. I'm not the biggest fan, but hey ho, it's absolutely fine. I can pass this on to whoever. If anyone wants one of these, I'll give them to you, it's not a problem. So Milk Duds. I've never tried Milk Duds, so this is going to be interesting. It's like candy made with chocolate and caramel. So are they like Revels maybe? That'd be quite interesting to have. And then I've got some Hershey's, cookies and cream, strawberries and cream, cookies and mint. So this is pretty safe. Love that. And then I've actually got some Nerds, which I've never tried before. So this is got grape flavour, strawberry flavour, and then obviously watermelon and cherry. Insane. I think this is going to be great to tide me over Christmas. So it'd be quite interesting. Thanks for sticking around.